In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Moshulu discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Moshulu discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, and as you can see right here, we have some promo codes and deals that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 50% of selected women's trainers, all you need to do is select get deal right here, and as you can see for this one, there is no code required. All you need to do is select show shop now button and you will be redirected to their website where the discount will be applied automatically. Also scrolling down a little bit right here, we have this website which is called retrieve.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with other promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 20% off discount, all you need to do right here is just select copy code, and this is the promo code. You can copy this one and you can apply this promo code on the next purchase in order to get that 20% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.